to be perfect. I'm just getting them out to show you if you're actually working, you can get them done. I ain't getting no body work, none of these cars. You know what I'm saying? I'm just scrambling. You know what I'm saying? Showing you. I paint this amount of cars all the time. Y'all just don't see me post them. You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of them I feel ain't worth it to even be posted. You know what I'm saying? But I just, like I said, this is just a race car. This what this is, a race car. So we just want to give it a quick paint job. I tried to paint it yesterday, but he painted it the first time himself. The paint peeled off the whole car in the paint booth. I had to scrape, peel everything, come back here today, and then try to finish it on back up, man. Good God Almighty. And as I said, it still came out decent. I tell people, forget this. Stay away from Nascent products, man. Nascent products are some of the most terrible products you can use. I do not like Nascent products, no form or fashion. Straight up. But listen, man, we got done. It's pretty decent. That's all. Like I said, it's just a race car. But listen, I'm gonna catch y'all next time, YouTube. I'm coming back with the next 3. The next one I'm coming with that what happened then, you know what I'm saying? But listen, I'm out of this thing. Stay tuned, YouTube. Oh my God, I'm tired, y'all. Y'all know, excuse me. I didn't take like it. I'm out of here. I got to go.